Okay, so for several noise sources naman, so we just have to sum the squares and kunin natin yung square root. Okay? So let's say for example, the resistor R1 and R2 area are connected in series at 300 Kelvin and 400 Kelvin temperatures respectively. If R1 is 200 ohms and R2 is 300 ohms, find the total noise voltage. So formula, so VNT, so total noise voltage is equals to VN1, noise voltage 1 squared, plus VN2, noise voltage 2 squared. So formula natin for noise voltage, so square root 4 kTBR. So this is for noise voltage 1 squared plus square root ng 4 kTB R2 squared. Okay, so hindi ko na isa-isahin, papakita ko na lang yung solution. Okay, so yan. Papansin nyo, dito sa second equation, yung equivalent niya, nakuha or natanggal yung square root. It's because mayroong square dito and may square root, so makakancel yan. Okay? So, ang sagot is 996.8 nanovolt. So, next, noise figure and noise factor. So, noise figure, we just have to get the ratio of the signal to noise ratio dun sa input nung amplifier divided by signal to noise ratio dun sa output. Okay? So, pag kukunin natin yung noise figure, we just have to get the decibel equivalent. So, 10 logarithm nung noise factor. Okay? So, for example, a transistor has a measured signal to noise power of 100 at its input and 20 at its output. Determine the noise figure of the transistor. So, hindi ko na isa-isahin yung solution. So, we just have to divide yung 100 sa 20 and then kunin natin yung 10 log nung ratio ng 100 sa 20. So, approximately 7 decibel yung sagot. Okay? So, pagka cascaded network naman, so gagamitin natin yung Friis formula. So, Friis formula, yung noise factor total is equals to F1 plus F2 minus 1 divided by A1. So, yung A1 is yung gain nung stage, yung individual stage. So, A1, ibig sabihin ito yung gain ng stage 1. So, A2, gain ng stage 2, and so on and so forth. So, meron naman yung pattern kung mapapansin nyo. So, hindi nyo naman kailangan memorizing yan. Okay? So, for total signal to noise ratio, so S over N total is equals to S over N 1 or yung signal to noise ratio nung stage 1 minus 10 logarithm ng N. So, N, ibig sabihin, ito yung number or total number of amplifier stages. Okay? So, last parameter is the noise temperature. So, noise temperature. So, TE. Yung TEQ dito, ibig sabihin nito is equivalent noise temperature. Okay? So, noise equivalent temperature is equals to TA, ambient temperature, times noise factor minus 1.